Sam?
Oh no.
What the hell? Shit, he's turning!
Oh
That's
no.
my fucking brother! Screw it!
Oh no.
Shit!
Ellie? Ellie, are you alright?
Oh my god.
Sam?
Oh no.
Sam? Henry? Ellie, stay there. Henry? What have you done? I'm gonna get that gun from you, okay? Oh, okay,
Oh.
easy. This is your fault. This is nobody's fault, Henry. It's all your fault! Henry! Henry, no!
Oh my god.
Um.
Jackson County. Means we're close to Jackson City, right?
Should be more than a few miles.
You ready to see dear old brother?
I'm just ready to get there.
You nervous?
I don't know what I'm feeling.
Gagi, natulala ako. What just happened? After nung mga scene na ganon, makikita ko na naman si Source sa chat. Ang galing. Oh my god! Ba't ganon-ganon lang? Really? Anyways, as always, wala na naman akong bala. I don't have bala, bro. Oo nga, sino ka ba? Grabe ka naman. Shit, ang sexy pala ni Lirin. Oh my god. Saan ako dad?
So much for this road.
Wala na.
You just follow the river.
Tinapon ko na si Lirin. Never nyo na makikita yon. Last nyo na kay Lirin yun, okay? Asa na ba sila, Tommy?
What happened between you two?
What do you mean?
You and Tommy. You're not together, so clearly something went down.
We just had a bit of a disagreement, that's all.
Ah, here we go. So what was it about?
Tommy saw the world one way, I saw it the other.
And that's why he joined the Fireflies.
Yeah, your friend Marlene promised him hope. That kept him busy for a while, but just like Tommy, he eventually quit that too.
How was it? The last time you saw him?
I believe his last words to me were, I don't ever want to see your goddamn face again.
Jeez. But he's gonna help us?
I suppose we're gonna find out.
Well, with or without his help, we'll get
Let's just
Ah,
get going.
kaya magkaiwalay si Joel saka si Tommy. Magkagalit sila. May kapatid si Lirin. May kapatid yan sila ni Lay. Nasa Canada na si Lirin. Oh, hindi na uuwi ng ano. Hindi na uuwi ng Pilipinas si Lirin. Doon na yun, doon na yun. Kapatid ko yun, kapatid ko. Ate. Hindi na, never nang babalik ng Pilipinas yun. Oh, ba't nananapak bigla si Joel?
Whoa.
Relax mo.
What's that?
Right there's a hydroelectric power plant.
I'm a hydra who?
It uses the river's movement and turns it into electricity.
Oh!
Look, I know what it is. I don't know how it does it.
All right. How are we getting across?
That's cool. Wait, puzzle? Don't tell me it's puzzle. Ay, hindi. Ito lang. Ito lang. Ang gulo-gulo ng pamilya namin. Sobra. Paano ano yung doon sa kabila? Paano ma-open?
The light gets us halfway. If we get the other one up, we'll make it across.
Hanap ako ng nung device. Ay, isda oh. Fish. Paano ko bubuksan yung kabila? Wala din yung nanay ni Layrin. Okay, wala nang pipe. Nice. That's nice. So, paano ko makakapunta ng across dito? Paano? Paano ko dadaan dyan? So, may akyatan dito. Puzzle.
There you go.
Malayo-layo pa. Hindi ko alam kung malayo pa ako o malapit na sa ending. Oy, scissors. Eh, nakabunot na ng scissors. What can I craft? Smoke bomb? Tapos medkit. Pre! Nawawala po ang ano nang gagawin ko dito. Tatalunin ko ba to? Watcha! Ayaw tumalon. Di baka may CCC din ako. May CCC din ata ako. Ayun, may sinisilip si Ellie oh. Ah, yun nga. Meron nga dito. Go, Joel. Ay, ito nga. Oh, anong puzzle? Basic lang yan. O, tapos, iyaano ko si, dito. Papaakitin ko si Ellie sa kabila.
I need you to...
I know. Step on the fucking pallet.
Halika na, Ellie. You step here. Come. Wala si Rapo. Favorite ni Rapo yun. Oh my God! 5 followers na lang. 500 na ako. Iyoti na lang. Kinikilig na ako. Go. You go up there. Then, you turn on, okay?
Won't give it a spin.
Unfollow. Ouch! Ba't kayo mag-unfollow? Wag. Hey!
Hey, be careful crossing that thing.
I will.
Teamwork.
What if hindi ko appearance si Ellie? Oh my God, nakaganon lang siya. Ellie? Sige na nga, naawa ko kay Ellie. Hey, appear. Hey. Wala pa naman akong 1 year sa sa Twitch. Ano ba? Maga 1 year pa lang ako. So yun, yung 8 months mataas na yun. Wala ka na pala Jay eh. Sino na top 1? Sino top 1? Ba't hindi ka na top 1?
Let's get past this place, then we can scrounge up some food.
Well, if I starve, you're responsible.
Ay, hindi. Pabalik to. May daanan ba dito? Ito may loot pa. Very nice. What's this?
That's too small of a grave.
Forgot to leave that stupid robot on his grave. What should I do with it?
Ellie,
What? I want to talk about it.
Hala na
No.
kay...
Why
Na
not?
kay
how
Ellie.
many times do we need to go over
Na kay
this?
Ellie pa yung robot ni
Things
Sam.
happen, and we move on.
It's just...
That's enough.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Ay, Jelly. Pati yung Last of Us 2. Yung Last of Us 2, i-release na siya sa April sa PC version. Kaya nilalaro ko na. Nilalaro ko na yung Last of Us. Kasi pagka-release ng The Last of Us 2, lalaruin ko agad yun. Let's go na! Grabe si Ellie, ang galing. Yes, Steam. Wala pa yung part 2 eh. Wala pa yung part 2 sa ano,
Should we head in?
sa PC.
Ain't no way
Sa
around.
sa PS5 pa lang.
Gonna have to cut through the plant.
Wait lang, lulot muna ako. Mamaya na yan. Uy, what's this? Sculpt revolver? Sculpt revolver? Yan. El Diablo! Ayoko mag-controller. Wala akong tutok doon. Hell na. Ay, ito na ba yung Firefly? Ah!
Don't even think about reaching for your weapon. Tell the girl to drop hers now.
Ellie? Do as the lady says.
Hey.
Please tell me you're lost.
Oh, we didn't know the place was occupied. We're just trying to make our way through.
Through to where?
They're all right.
But you know these people?
Know him.
Uy, si
Goddamn
Tommy!
Holy shit.
Pogi ni Tommy ah!
How you
Hey,
doing, brother?
brothers.
God damn.
Yeah.
Let me look at you. You get fucking old.
You're fucking old.
Won't happen to you, too.
This is Maria.
Maria.
Be nice to her. She sort of runs things around here.
Ma'am, thanks for not blowing my head off.
Would have been embarrassing, considering you're my brother-in-law.
Ah?
We
Asawa?
all gotta get wrangled up at some point.
Asawa niya si Maria?
Ellie, right?
Yeah.
What brings you through here?
That's kind of a long story.
Why don't we bring him inside?
Yeah. You hungry?
Starving.
Ate Liz, top 1. Eh, baka Ate Lizzie ah.
False alarm! They're friendlies. We've been dealing with raids. A lot of bandits in this area.
Oh,
It's been
puro
quiet
raid.
for a few days.
What the hell are you doing here? I thought I'd find you in Jackson.
Been trying to bring the plant back to life.
We had it working before, but one of the turbines went south.
We have electricity, Joe. I had. We'll get her running again.
Day off na? Day off ko na ng
No
ano,
way.
day off na ng patay-patayan. Thank you.
We got a whole lot of them.
Hey, Tommy, give me a hand with this.
Sorry, I'll be right back.
Can I?
Yeah, of course. He likes when you pet his ears. You ever ride one?
I actually have.
When have you ridden a horse?
Winston, this soldier back in the zone, he gave me lessons.
You know, if you want, we can take him riding later.
That'd be awesome.
Ano ba, may matutulong ba ako? Can I ride? Can I ride this horse?
There.
Pat lang, pat.
Hey, thanks, Tommy.
No sweat. All right, let's continue the tour.
Okay. Tour sa bahay nila, Tommy.
Yeah?
Why are you here? Weren't you supposed to head back this morning?
Still waiting on Hauser and the rest of the boys to relieve me.
You know, we'll be fine. Just go home to your family.
It's just a couple more hours. I'll tough it out.
All right, look.
Lay pa
Take it
sabi
easy.
pagka may EA. Walang EA. Ito si Maria, kaso asawa niya si Tommy.
Maria,
Yeah, go ahead.
we're in the control room. Steve's about to start it back up. You want to come check it out?
I'd rather eat with Ellie.
It's my turn anyway. I'll go.
I'll come with you. Go with Maria. Put some food in you.
Joel?
Come on, Ellie. Let's give the boys some space.
Ayaw niya humiwalay kay Joel.
I'm sending Tommy over. Stand by.
This will be the 6th time of them trying to get the turbines back online. We've been here just a week, and it feels like forever.
Ito flashlight to.
I got something for you. Last year I went back to Texas, back home. Most of our stuff is long gone. Most of it.
Ano yung bibigay niya?
Here. It's a little faded, but it still looks pretty good.
No. Sarah.
I'm good.
You sure? I mean,
I've said I'm good.
No.
okay. Well, I'll hold on to it for you.
Tommy, I need to talk to you. Privately.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
anak niya.
Let me just check on my guys real quick. Come on.
Oh my God! Huwag mo ako papayak in The Last of Us. Don't do this to me. Ang dami-dami na nagpaiyak sa akin. Huwag ka na dumagdag dito. Wala, hindi to emotional game. Story rich to. It's not an emotional game. Hindi to before your eyes. Hindi
I
na
don't know
ako
what you
iyak.
heard, but you should see the town. We're over 20
Never naman
families
ako
strong
umiyak
now.
eh.
It was Maria and her father. They set up this place with the idea of being self-sustained. We had crops and livestock. Remember how we thought no one could live like this anymore?
Ang galing, no?
We're doing it.
Oh my God, ganito yung research namin. So yung research namin, para
What do you
siyang
do for protection?
Hey,
Ano?
don't take turns guarding the perimeter.
yung water
We got
flow ng
electrified
tubig.
fence in the
Ayun
plant.
yung ginagamit namin para
You still
mag-produce
gotta
ng
deal with infected
electricity.
though, right?
That's so cool!
It doesn't. But it's the world we live in.
Well, maybe you don't have to be.
You sound like Marlene.
Ano course ko? Ano pa ako? Grade 12 pa lang ako.
Hey, buddy.
That's Brooklyn.
Ah,
Not much of a guard
I'm
dog.
STEM student. Dog.
But good to have around.
That's a good boy.
Shit, so young. Of course. I'm very young. I'm 18 years old. Alcohol. Biset, mas matanda pa pala.
These two
I'm
geniuses
young,
will
okay?
bring this plant back
Wag
together.
niyong isipin na
We think we
matanda
got
ako.
it this time.
Stop this. Magka-college
You
pa
don't
lang.
believe us?
I didn't say that.
I'll bet you $1 million it works.
Sure. Make it 2.
Wait, hindi
We're
pa ako
almost
nakapag-upgrade
ready.
ng
They just
ano,
need to finish
pills.
putting the shield back on.
No rush.
Ah, hindi na muna. 18. Turning 19 this year.
To the left. Watch it.
Ano kukunin mo sa college?
Lower it. Slowly.
Kunin ko sa college is computer engineering. Di ba nga nung last time, sinasabi ko sa inyo may scholarship ako sa FEU, tapos
All right.
nag-entrance
That's
exam ako.
good. Tommy's here.
Ewan ko kung
Here to
nandun
go.
ka, Ate Nomi. Nagayap ako nung isang araw about dun.
Okay, good to go. Ready?
Go ahead. Hit it. Here we go.
Hey, ang galing oh!
Damn.
May kuryente na sila.
it, boys.
Nice.
Nice work, boys. Somebody get on the horn and give Maria the
Wala na,
good news.
tapos na. Ate Nomi.
You see that?
Tapos na yung entrance exam.
Pretty impressive.
Nakuha ko na yung result, tapos
Looks like
binigyan
you're
ako
at $2
ng
million.
scholarship. M&M ng FEU.
All right, Joe.
So pagka nag-enroll ako sa kanila,
Let's go talk.
good luck sa entire college life. Ay nako. Ito na,
So what
seryosong
crew you
usapan
got
na.
here?
Stop yapping.
They're good men. This place gives them a second chance. Gives us all a second chance. So why'd you leave Boston?
I've been on quite the adventure, little brother.
I reckon it's got something to do with that girl.
It's got everything to do with that little girl.
Well, go on then.
She's immune.
Immune to what? Oh,
I've seen her,
come on.
I know, I've seen her breathe enough spores to take down a dozen men. And nothing. Now, I wouldn't have believed it
Hindi
neither.
naniniwala si Tommy.
I can show you.
All right. I'll bite. Why bring her here?
I was supposed to deliver to the Fireflies. The way I figure they're your boys. You finish the job, you collect the whole damn payment.
I haven't seen a Firefly in years.
You know where they are. Now, I'm not asking for much, Tommy. I just want some simple gear, enough to set me on my way.
What makes you think I'd do this for you?
This isn't for me, Tommy. This is for your damn cause.
My cause is my family now. You ain't talking about some walk in the park here.
Jesus, boy. Have Maria get some of your born-again friends to do it.
They
but
got families too.
Tommy, I need this.
Oh my God. Away. Suntukan.
You want some gear? Sure. But I ain't taking that girl off your hands.
This is how you gonna repay me, huh?
Repay you.
For all those goddamn years I took care of us.
Took care. That's what you call it? I got nothing but nightmares from those years.
You survived because of me.
It wasn't worth it.
Susumbatan na sila! Oy, oy, oy! Oy, awat!
Bring you the cure from mankind, and you wanna play the pissy little brother.
We ain't back in Boston. You lay your hands on me again, it won't end well for you.
The hell is that?
We're under attack. You still remember how to kill, right?
Oh my God, akala ko turn off. Ano na? Tapos na sa Marilan.
Stop him! Don't let him into the building!
Oh my God. Wait lang. I forgot the controls, bro. Ow. Teka, wala akong bala eh.
Be careful!
Ba naman yan, buhay na to. Oh. Hindi ako sa taas. Ay, cover here. Wala akong pang long range. Ang hina nung bow ko. Wait nga.
Keep him busy. Hurry up!
O, ba't walang bala to? Pwede ko ba i-push to? Shotgun lang meron ako eh. Aray! Aray ko! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wala ko yung sniper ammo. Paano yun? Meron kang 2 weeks vacation, ha? Wait lang. Paano ko papatayin to? Wala akong ano. Wala akong pang long range. Or dito ako sa ilalim dada. Tommy, tamaan mo, please. Pahingi ako yung sniper. Ayun. Babarilan naman kasi agad eh. Tindahan ba dito? Ito, pamalo. Molotov. Sunod ba yan? Oh my God! Talsik yung ulo niya.
Keep an eye out! Be careful!
Sniper din ba to? Ay, oo nga.
Let's get a move on!
Alright. Very nice. Give me bala. Wala.
Look out!
Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa.
You guys see
Wait,
anything?
wait a minute.
Let's get to the bridge.
Tommy!
Wait, asa na sila?
Bandits,
Ayun.
breaking into the building.
Sila Ellie.
Can you get out of there?
No, we're trapped.
We're gonna come to you. Just stay.
They're here. Ellie, hide.
Maria!
Ano
Damn
to?
it.
This looks pretty complicated.
Padaan. Kawawa na sila, sila Ellie. Kailangan ko na ng ay puta ka. Kailangan ko na ng slot para sa sa pistol. Upgrade tayo pagka may Isa lang yung slot ko ng pistol, di ko siya ma-utilize na sobra. Saan ba? Aray. Ang dami naman. Dalawa na sa baba.
They're fighting on the bridge! Let's go!
Wait lang! Hindi ako mapag-take you! I'm so sorry! Wait lang! I'm in the serious mode. Aray! Uy, umusod yung kampi ko. Wait! Wala na naman akong bala.
Tommy, cover me.
Yun, bala. Wah! Wala na?
That's all, those sons of
Okay,
bitches.
that's all. Nice.
We gotta get to the girls!
Right behind you.
Oh my god, may dalawa palang nag-follow kay Yabo? Yabo!
Do your thing.
Yabo, saka Sora Yumi. Hello? Kalaban ba yon? Anayin ko na lang ngayon. Patukan ko. Apakadaming buhay naman to, oh. Tao ba dito? Oh my god. Ay, open pa.
Cover me. I'm moving up.
Alam, may kalaban dito. Oh, sabi ko na nga ba eh! Sabi ko na may kalaban doon! Sino ba? Diyos ko po!
Do your thing.
Nakita naman ako agad. Patay niyo yan. Wala na akong bala.
Tommy, cover me.
Ka dito.
Watch out!
Papalit-palit ako ng pistol. Dumami bigla yung pistol ko.
You're gonna pay for that.
Umusod ka, Tommy. Di pa patay yun?
We're all dead.
Alright.
Tommy?
Maria?
I'm all right. The kid's with me.
That was too damn close.
Teka, loot lang. Give me the loots. Ay, wala
You okay?
na cutscene na.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh man, they were coming in from every direction. Then Maria was like, "We gotta run!" And so we dove over these tables, and this huge guy blasted with a shotgun.
slow down. Listen, hey, you hurt.
Yapper?
No.
Yapper si Ellie!
God damn it.
That's how she
I need to talk to you.
Absolutely not. You tell him to go find somebody else.
Ayun, nag-aaway yung dalawa dun.
Do you have any idea how many men we lost here today?
What's that all about? Does that have anything to do with me?
Talk about it later.
Did he tell you where the lab is?
We'll talk about it later.
Later. Right.
It takes one fuck up. One fuck up and then I turn into one of those widows, okay?
I have to do this. I don't know what else to say.
Fine.
Maria.
Here we go.
You. If anything at all happens to him, it's on you.
So, naman.
She's thankful, you know.
She's thankful.
Yeah, I know.
Mukhang thankful yon.
I'll take that girl of yours to the Fireflies. You don't have to worry about it.
It's best this way.
Well, maybe some
So,
real good will
wala
come
na.
of this.
Iiwan na natin si Ellie.
I need to talk to Ellie.
Iiwan na si Ellie kay Tommy, tas dadalhin
Say
na sa
again, I didn't hear
Firefly.
you. Joe,
What is it?
that girl of yours, she took one of our horses and rode off.
Damn it. Which way?
Come on,
I just saw her riding on out of here.
go back inside.
Huh?
Help the others clean the place up.
Okay.
Malis si
Careful out
Ellie?
there.
Ayo, mag-ride ako ng horse!
Yeah.
Ayo! Eh. Saan pumunta? Ellie? Gagi, tinakasan tayo ni Ellie. Nagtampo ata. Ellie, tampo rarot. Ellie, tot.
She couldn't have gotten far. We'll find her, don't worry.
Ellie, tot.
She usually pull these stunts. Nothing like this. What's going on?
Hey, that's so cool, Uncle. Ang cool ng pag-ride ng kabayo. Lasing? Bakit lasing? Ako yung lasing eh, yung driver
Should we
yung
go
lasing.
down this way?
Oh, sarado, Lods. Baliw yung nagko-control eh.
Horse tracks. She went into these woods.
Ito. Horse
What are
tracks.
you thinking?
May chance ba masemplang ako dito? Ellie, Tampururot. Asan na yun?
There. 4 tracks. Come on.
Bilis. Ya, tigitig. Ya, tigitig. Tigitig. Ya, tigitig. Ano to? Nagtampo sa ilalim ng falls? Walang daanan dito. Ayun. Wow! Ay! Tama na yung beng-bengan na to. Wala na akong bala, pre.
Go around, I'll cover you.
Pre, wala na akong bala. Tama na yun. Wala na ba? Meron pa. Oh my godness. Uy. Hala ka, nalaglag ka pa, Joel. Saan na ba itong mga visit na to? Usod, Tommy! Pal. Wala, hindi tumama yun. Ay talaga, mostly ng kalaban ko dito, puro tao na. Asan na yung mga zombie? Ito na, rarash na ako. Ito na yung bote ko. Tatapol na sa'yo to. Wala na? Wala na?
That's all of them.
Very
Come on.
noise.
Back to the horses.
Balikan muna kay Sean. Okay. Asan na si Ellie? Visit na ba tayo? Napaghihirap pa tayo sa kanya. Ride na tayong kabayo. Sinisipulan lang din pala yung ano, kabayo. Sumusunod pala yung kabayo pagka sinipulan? What? Hindi ko alam yun ha. Aching! Oh my god. Nag-aching. My bad. Excuse me.
Tracks keep going this way. Just hope they didn't get to her.
Ellie Tot Tot. Where are you? Ang ganda nung naging mechanics nito, no? Pinag-ride tayo ng horse. Very nice. Okay, you're back. Saan na ba si Ellie? Wala eh, tampororot si Ellie eh.
Look, by the ranch.
Ay, ito na!
That's our horse.
May kabayo
He's gotta
doon.
be there.
Ayun, yan.
Area looks clear.
Ito. Ano ba gusto kong i-ride? Ah? Ano, kabayo?
Be careful.
Wala na ba?
Ellie?
Ay! May taga! May taga!
Ellie!
Ellie! Ayun. Asan? Sorry ah. Sorry. Nagulat ako eh. May tumaan bigla eh. Ellie! Where are you? Where have you been? Oh, Ang dami kong gamit ngayon. Nasobrahan naman sa gamit. Teka, craft na din tayo nito. Ito. Ay! Hindi ba cutscene? CR pala to. Ay, bad. Kala ko andito na si Ellie. Asan ba yun? Batang ire. Where are you? Dito, last na to. Ito.
Is this really all they had to worry about?
Tampororot.
Boys? Movies?
Tampororot, Ellie!
Deciding which shirt goes with which skirt? It's bizarre.
Get up. We're leaving. Come on.
And if I say no?
Do you even realize what your life means? Huh? Running off like that, putting yourself at risk? It's pretty goddamn stupid.
Well, I guess we're both disappointed with each other then.
What do you want from me?
Admit that you wanted to get rid of me the whole time.
Tommy knows this area
Oh,
better
fuck
than...
that.
Well, I'm sorry. I trust him better than I trust myself.
Stop with the bullshit. What are you so afraid of? That I'm gonna end up like Sam? I can't get infected. I can take care of myself.
How many close calls have we had?
Well, we seem to be doing all right so far.
And now you'll be doing even better with Tommy.
Ayaw niya ako sumama kay Tommy.
Not her, you know.
What?
Maria told me about Sarah.
Ellie?
And
Oh no! Nalaman niya yung kay Sarah.
Mighty thin ice here.
I'm sorry about your daughter, Joel. But I have lost people too.
You have no idea what loss is.
Everyone I have cared for has either died or left me. Everyone fucking except for you. So don't tell me that I would be safer with someone else, because the truth is I would just be more scared.
Iyak na si Ellie, gagi.
You're right. You're not my daughter. And I sure as hell ain't your dad. And we are going our separate ways.
No!
Get it together. We're not alone.
Ay, ibibigay talaga ni Joel si Ellie!
There are two
Hindi!
More inside already.
Ayaw ni Ellie, pre! Ano ba yan? Makikipagbarilan na naman ako eh. Epal naman eh. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong... Yeah, ganito yung mostly ini-stream ko talaga, yung mga story games. Na-enjoy ko yung mga story games. Super. Yung mahaba i-stream, sobra. So, asan na to?
I got nothing over this way. Me either.
Visit naman, nagdadrama eh. Tapos may epal eh. Teka dito, lapit. Iyakan tayo. Horror naman to ha, hindi ba horror to? Unahan tayo. Okay, bye-bye, JM. Wala na, dalawa lang yon.
Hang back.
Never mind! Ito molotov, pre. Dami nun na. Uy, wag ka tumalikod, pre. Ulit ka.
Tommy, cover me.
Ano ka? Superman? Ikaw, isa ka. Nahanap-hanap mo dyan. Nagdadrama ako. Wag niyo ako anuhin
Alright.
ngayon.
House is clear.
Let's get
Okay,
back to
wala
the
na.
horses.
Alright. There's no one na. Siguro kung in-stream ko din sa TikTok to at the same time, siguro sumabog na yung PC ko. Kaya nun, dual stream, tapos Last of Us.
We're clear.
Ayaw niyo ba mag-iyakan? Ayaw niyo ba mag-iyakan? Horror game naman yung The Last of Us, pero may story. Wala na, nagtampo na si
Hand
Ellie.
up.
Got it.
Horror naman The Last of Us, hindi ba horror yung The Last of Us? It's horror. Horror to. Yung gusto nyo kasing horror, jump scare lang eh. Thriller is different from horror. Ano ba yan? Pero, yung scare factor, andun pa din. Pero, parang ngayon, feel natin yung feel natin yung story eh. Nanood lang ako ng mga 90s para iyakan. Pero yeah, maganda naman i-stream yung mga things like this. Kaso it's just sad na ending na ata. Kasi wala na eh. Iiwan na natin si Ellie kay Tommy eh.
Kids will be watching movies tonight.
Where is this lab of theirs?
It's all the way out, University of Eastern Colorado.
Go Bighorns. Ellie, get off your horse. Give it on back to Tommy. I'm
Wait!
gonna hang on to this fella, if that's all right with you. Go on, don't make me repeat myself.
What are you doing?
Hindi
Your wife
pa!
kinda scares me. I don't want her coming after me.
Sorry for stealing your horse.
Look, come back to town. Let's discuss it at least.
You know me, my mind's all made up. University, Eastern Colorado. How do I find this lab?
It's in the science building. Looks like a giant mirror. You can't miss it.
You take care of that wife of yours.
Nagbago
There's a
yung
place
isip
for
ni
you.
Joel.
No.
You good?
I'm good.
Adios, little brother.
Adios. Bye-bye, Tommy. Oh my God. Akala ko mag-ending na. Akala ko yan ay story.
Okay, let me see if I get this straight. If you mess up your fourth down, then you give the ball to the other team.
Right, it's called turnover.
And if you clear the 10 yards, then you're back at first down?
First down, that's right.
Nandito din si Kirsten, no? Mga
just
silent
gotta
viewer
play a
kasi
couple
kayo
times.
eh. Ba't
It all
hindi
makes
kayo
sense.
nagchat-chat? Pagkagantong game. Pagkagantong game, mostly nang nanonood sa akin, ayaw nyo ba sa akin? Hindi, sabihin nyo na yung totoo. Kasi baka pumupunta lang kayo sa stream ko dahil nilalaro ko to. Sino ba naman kasi ako? Sino ba kasi tong streamer na to?
Okay. None of these buildings look like a mirror.
Okay lang naman.
Go
Okay
ahead
lang
to
naman
Central
ako.
Grounds. Should be able to see most of the campus from there.
Ganon na nga. Oh, nasa stream lang kayo kasi nilalaro ko yung The Last of Us.
Let's go.
Come on. Eh di sana, ay ano to? Pwede ako bumaba. Sana
Stay,
ano na lang,
Callus.
di ba?
What kind of name is Callus anyways?
Not my fault you
Too bad.
forgot to ask Tommy his name.
Sana nag-off na lang ako ng facecam ko kasi mukhang nagdi-display ako dito tas in-off ko na din yung yung... Oo nga, anong magiging itsura nun, no? I-off ko yung facecam ko. Tapos off ko din yung mic ko.
Here you go. Get him.
Parang no, nag-stream pa, no? Parang eng-eng. Nag-stream pa. Bunak. Anyways, saan ako pupunta? Montage na.
I'll stay with Callus.
Hindi, to be honest, yung ibang games, pinapanood ko siyang ganun. Alam niyo yung sa YouTube, yung no commentary na videos. Minsan nanonood ako ng ganun, like, it's either kakain lang ako, tas manonood ako ng ganun na videos. Yung things like that. Sana wala nang barilan, no? Tama na. Mas sabi ko nung sinabi ko na lagi na lang ako nakikipagbarilan sa mga zombie. Biglang yung mga kalaban ko puro tao na. Ayun. I need
This
this.
is a good spot.
So upgrade na ako nung lagayan ng pistol. Kailangan ko to sobra. Yan. Tapos may ma-upgrade pa ba ako? Ito short. Fire rate, capacity. Capacity is good. I think capacity. Lay, pagka nagkaroon ng apocalypse IRL, sa tingin mo makaka-survive? Hindi ako makaka-survive. I think yung unang-unang
That should help us out.
unang-unang outbreak, patay na ako nun. Yung pinakaunang outbreak, I think, doon pa lang dedo na ako. Day 1, goodbye. I feel like it. Na ganun mangyayari. Tingnan nyo, sa clicker, di ba, bawal maingay. Paano pagka nakita ko IRL yun, sisigaw ako ng malakas, edi patay ako.
So, these places, people would live here and just study?
Hindi lalabas ng bahay. Pwede, mamamatay sa
Study.
gutom.
Party. And find themselves.
Pero
Figure
yung
out what they
mag-survive
wanted to
ng
do with
ganito,
their
I think hindi ko kaya. Yung katawan ko lang ang habol
chilly.
niya.
lives. It's that time of year.
Ano yan, Yuna? Nag-uusap kami, lyrics pala. Anyways. So, saan pa ako dadaan? Wala nang loot. Okay. Parang feel ko, pagka nag-Sabaton ako, parang gusto ko balikan yung mga nalaro kong horror game dati. Yung Outlast 1, yung
How many people you think are
Outlast
there?
2, yung Resident Evil
Fireflies.
7, yung mga
It takes quite a crew to run that operation.
yung mga
You
horror
think there'll be
games
other
na
people
nalaro
my
ko
age?
dati ng onti pa viewers ko.
I'm not sure.
Sobrang
I'll
onti
be right
nun,
back.
no? 4?
I'll be
4?
here.
4? 3? Ganun lang nanonood sa akin dati.
What is it?
Sounds like runners.
Stay with the horse. I'll go check it out.
May barilan na naman.
Yes, I don't want him running off. I'll be right back.
4 to 6? Yeah, mataas na yung 6 sa akin dati. Tapos ilan followers ko nun? 50. Oo. Hello? Nag-ingay ba ako? Oh no. Oh my god! Pugot yung ulo! Isang mo, Joel! Binabatukan ka na, pre! Oh my god. Ito. Sticky bomb. Hindi mo naapakan yun? Oh my god. Dito, dito. Ito. May bomba ako dito. Ito. Yun. Oh, kalahati na yung katawan mo. Kumagalaw ka pa. Ito, sira ulo.
And that's that.
Wala na naman akong bala. Ano to? Flamethrower?
Thinking,
What the
I would
heck?
have wanted to be an astronaut.
Ang daming
That's
baril
fact.
dito.
Yeah. Can you imagine being up there all by yourself? Would have been cool. I'm just saying.
Ang daming baril sa The Last of Us. Grabe. Sa Resident Evil, yung baril ko doon, lilima lang. Ba't dito, grabe oh. May flamethrower ako. Really? Grabe yung gore dito. Pwede ba sa ano to? Pwede ba sa YouTube yung ganyan na gore? Kasi ilalabas ko to ng walang blur eh.
Let's go back.
Okay na yan, bahala na kung ma-demonetize. Okay, saan ba to? Puzzle ba to? Bubuksan ko yung gate. Ang dami ko nang i-edit. Hindi ko pa nga nalalabas yung episode 1 neto sa YouTube eh. Wala pa eh. Saka na pagka natapos ko na i-edit yung mga short horror games.
Shit.
Ano talaga? Na ano ko sa... Ito talaga niyayap ko ng sobra eh, yung Silent Hill. Like, hindi ko expect na ganun yung story niya. Like, doon lang ako talaga na story na na-disappoint. Silent Hill. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung ending niya. Sa lahat ng story game na nilaro ko ng sobrang
What
haba,
about you?
sa Silent Hill ako na-disappoint. Na parang, bakit ko nilaro ng sobrang haba to?
Be a singer.
Shut up.
No, serious.
Kaya
Say
parang,
something.
nako-compare ko yung
Come on, I won't
Last of
laugh.
Us ngayon
I
eh.
don't think so.
Joel, please.
Parang nako-compare ko yung The Last of Us sa sa
Aw,
Silent Hill.
Those monkeys?
Yeah, a whole mess of them.
Ooh. Monkeys. I mean, yung graphics naman ng Silent Hill goods, pero puro puzzle din kasi sobra. Parang na-stress out din ako sa puzzle. Na to the point na parang ang ginagawa kong price pag monkeys. Parang ang ginagawa kong price is
Maybe
yung
you guys
story.
might keep a low profile.
So, nung nalaman ko yung buong story, parang medyo disappointed ako kasi all of that for that.
Fireflies.
See it?
This is good. First sign of
Malapit na tayo sa Fireflies. I think matatapos na yung story.
Let's try that gate.
Matatapos ko kaya to ngayong gabi? Uy, ayaw bumaba. Hello? What happened, bro? Ano ba ending nun? I-spoil ko na ba? Okay lang ba sa inyo?
There it is.
Figures.
Uy, yung iba kasi dito, baka hindi pa nila napapanood yung Silent Hill. Wala din kasi masyado nanood nun kasi nga puro puzzle eh. Tas ako, alam nyo naman, ang galing ko sa puzzle. Apakagaling ko doon. Start lang na panood. Apakagaling ko doon, kaya nai-stuck ako. Pagka nai-stuck ako sa puzzle, wala na, nagiging boring na yung stream. Ewan ko nga ba't nyo pinanood yung Puppy Playtime na chapter 4 eh. Na grabe ako may stuck sa puzzle nun. Nung time na yun. Diba? 3 hours for one puzzle? Come on. Ano to? Diary na
Wonder how long you held out.
ang daming loot dito. Nice. Very nice. Feeling ko may a-attack na naman bigla dito. Ang tahimik ng lugar. Oh. Mamaya. Kaganon na yan. Tingnan ko. May bubulaga dito. Promise.
Damn it, spores.
Ayun na nga ba. Sabi ko na nga ba. Leakers. Hindi, basic na to. Isa-isahin ko na lang to. Hindi na ako mag-create ng sound. Ay, ang daming arrows. Thank you. Tingnan mo. Oh, may log to dun. Ay, ba't parang malaki to? Wait, bloater ba to? Bloater ata to. Kailangan ko magingay! Takbo na! Takbo na! Ay! Visit ka, Joven! Bloater nga. Oh my god, pre. Loot muna, loot. Of course, loot. Okay, wala na. Can I craft? Okay, tama na. OA masyado. OA masyado, Leriel. Yan na. Kasi na yung generator.
Joel, are you okay? What happened in there?
More infected. I'm fine.
Here, come up on the gate.
IA. Ba't IA? Alright. Paano isasaksak to?
Open the gate for us.
Paano ka ba i-open? Ha? Anong gagawin ko? Ano ka ba dadalhin to? Hindi ba isasaksak to dito? Hello? Huh? Ah, ayun. Automatic pala. Pindutin mo na.
Let's try the gate.
You did it!
Yeah, come on through. Scoot.
Let's go.
Those flickers.
Let's go.
Think they were fireflies?
No.
Wait,
No, I
look.
don't think so.
Why would they have infected so close to the lab?
Well, Bill used them as a form of defense. Maybe they're doing the same.
Yeah, I could see that.
Alright, saan na pupunta?
Sige.
Go, 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 go. Hey. Bakit yun ah? Wait, ito na ba yung fireflies?
No guards. No nothing.
Yeah, I'd expect
Ito
to
yung
see someone by
mirror
now.
shaped building ah.
Let's get inside.
Ah, malapit na mag-ending. Onti na lang. Oo, malapit na. Ramdam ko na yung ending. Ah, ito na lang. Smoke bomb. May side quest? Wala.
You
Dire-diretso
ever
lang.
been to one of these?
What, university?
Yeah.
Siguro ang side quest ko, ito,
Not as a
naglulot ako.
student, at least.
Why not?
I had Sarah when I was pretty young.
Ako na bahala sa editing yon kung paano ko bibitinin sa YouTube. 'Di ba katulad nung kay ano, yung kay
Okay.
yung na-ambush tayo, ikakat ko yon.
Too much.
Like bibiglain ko doon. Okay. Sorry YT people kung kailan ma-release na tong episode na to. Napakalayo na nito. Pero bibitinin ko kayo, sorry. Ay, wala na
Hey,
palang daan
what about
dito.
over there?
Pwede ba tumalon dyan? Jump, jump. Never mind. Watch me whip. Watch me nay-nay. Nice snitch, nice snitch. Ano pa naman, pag gantong video pa naman, hindi ko kinakat ng sobra-sobra. Like, kunwari yan, exploration, hindi ko siya kinakat.
Yeah, that looks like a way.
Ano gamit ko pang record ng game? Di na ako nagre-record. Ginagamit ko yung VOD ng stream ko. Malinaw naman siya. Tapos, ayun na din yung pinapang YouTube ko. Hindi ko ba barilin yun? Barilin mo yung kadena.
It's rusted shut. I'll have to find another way.
You have to
Maybe we
find
can
that.
get over it.
You have to find another way. Barilin mo yan, no? Ay, wow. Saan ako dadaan? Really? Hindi mo pwede barilin yung... Hindi mo pwede barilin yung... yung kadena. May loot pa dito. Mahaba yung gate. Wait, pwede bang akyatin sa taas yan? Ay, hindi. Dito sa gilid. Pwede ata. Wait, saan ba pwede? Wait, hindi ba dito pwede? Like, tatalonin? No? O, dito sa Geldi. Wala din. Saan to? Baka sa main entrance or sa kabilang dulo.
Go, let's go.
Sobrang bigat kasi pagka magi-stream ka at the same time na nagre-record ka. So I don't think na kaya ng PC ko 'yan. Okay, sarado na din dito. Uy, nauntog yung kabayo. Ya. Wala na din dito. Huh?
Get him.
Sarado din.
Oh, look.
Wait, binibigyan ako ng hint ng game? Wow, thank you, The Last of Us. Hindi mo ko ini-stuck sa isang area. Okay, what's that? Ah, okay. Hilahin ko to. Wait. Hilahin ko to. Okay. Go. Ayun, bukas. Tapos hindi pwedeng
I had mine, but it'll do.
Tapos hindi pwedeng barilin yung kadena. Lalasa pa sa. Tapos syempre gagamitin uli natin to. Pang-akyat doon. Ay, iiwan na yung kabayo. Wala pa na yung kabayo. Ayun to. May kuryente.
All right, we're inside. Come on, kiddo, give me your hand.
May zombie. Okay, wala.
Thanks. Let's look around.
Kala ko may zombie eh. Nag-ano kasi, nag-cutscene eh.
Hello?
Alright. Can I upgrade things? Shorty ulit? Or ano na lang, eto na lang. Reload speed net. Wow, may heart na din siya. Puro na kayo may heart ah. Okay, back.
Yeah, that looks good.
Ilan days bago makuha? Wala, right away. Magki-clip ka lang ng manual clip, tapos i-share mo yung link. Okay na yun. Saan i-share? Kahit saan. Kahit sa DMs, kahit sa ano. Basta ma-share mo yung link. Okay, what's in here?
Yoo-hoo! Fireflies!
Sige,
Here's
sigaw
my
pa,
friend over
Ellie.
here. Anyone?
Ay, wait, ito na
Keep it
yung...
down until we figure out what's going on.
Ah, ito na yung pinaka-Firefly mismo. Ending na. Madadala na natin si Ellie sa Firefly.
We ain't alone.
Okay, may kalaban.
Stay close.
Ito na yung hospital. Ending na nga.
There are no bodies.
Malapit na.
That's good, right?
We found out where they went.
Wow.
Shit.
Probably not, right?
No, clickers don't hide.
May kalaban? I do not know. Ano ba? May kalaban ba? Ah, yung mga monkey.
At least it ain't clickers.
Yung mga ano lang pala, yung mga unggoy kanina.
Fireflies either. Well,
What
maybe in all
happened?
that research, they turned into fucking monkeys.
What happened sa Fireflies?
Just keep searching, we'll find something.
Hello, Fireflies! Where you at? Full na yung kulot. Oh my god, bawal na ako mag-craft. Kanay, bawal mag-apat dun? Come on. Ala, ang dami ko ng item ngayon. Nakamax na sila lahat. Crafting listen mode distance. Use a shield to break free from okay. Hindi ko na kailangan na. Okay, I drink water. Ay, wait. Okay. Uy, patay na.
You're looking for the Fireflies. They've all left.
Yeah, no shit.
I'm dead. Or I will be soon.
Ah, doktor!
Got me some time to reflect. Been years that felt like we were... Fucking thing was a giant waste of time. I'm not gonna do this anymore.
Come on.
Looking for the others. They've all returned to St. Mary's Hospital in Salt Lake City. You'll find them there. Still trying to save the world.
Salt Lake City.
Good luck with that.
Do you know where that is?
I know the city.
Is it far?
It ain't close. I mean, on horseback.
What?
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Fireflies?
Get down!
Okay.
What the fuck are these guys?
Barilan.
It don't matter. We know where to go. Let's get the hell out of here.
Okay, wala pa naman dito. Paunahan, pre. Oh no, oh no. Ayun na, nakikita ko na. Meron pa sa gilid, di ba? Right side isa, ayun tumakbo. Lalapit ka pa. Sorry, pre. Uy. Ba't hindi siya mag-grab? Come on. Bawal i-grab yun. Si Ellie ka pala. Okay, wala na.
Whoa!
Oh my god, bro. Magkakamukha sila. Oo nga, no? Mga naka-bonnet kasi. Wait, gawin kong ano to. Pistol. Wala na. Yay! Yay! Nyeta po, nyeta ka. Aray. Eh, hindi ka kasali sa Pasmo, hindi. Nagko-content ako mag-isa ngayon. Ano na ako, tapos na ako sa era ng Phasmo. Ay, ayan pala. So, inayos ko uli yung ano. Inayos ko uli yung founder badge. Kung pansin mo, Sir Boss, may founder badge ka. Kasi, nag-remove ako nung... Pucha ka. Alisan mo na. Asan ba si Ellie? Ayan pa, may
What do
tao
you want
pa.
me to do? What? Oh man.
Oh my god, pre.
Joel?
I'm gonna need you to pull.
Okay. Alright, you ready? 1,
Yun, may...
2,
Ano? Hindi pa donut to. Maliit lang yung butas. Maliit lang yung butas kay Joel. Hindi yung katulad ng ano.
Get to the damn horse.
Hindi siya magiging donut, pre. Ayan, ika na.
I don't see anyone. Let's go.
Go, Ellie.
Joel? How we doing?
Pwede pa ako may pagbarilan.
Can you handle the window?
Go, go, go. Ay, ay, ay.
Jesus. Come on, move!
Ayan na.
I see you. Come on, man.
Alright. Just stay here. I'm gonna flank this asshole.
Ellie. Those were my friends you killed, asshole.
Oh my god, bawal ako
Do this the
sumilip.
hard way?
Ayun.
Bitch!
We gotta get you out of here.
Mamatay si Joel. No, 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 no.
You're not okay, Joel.
No.
Now come on.
No way. No way. Joel, get... No way.
There's no one here. Hurry.
Pre, don't tell me na mag-isa akong pupunta sa Fireflies
Doing good.
ng Ellie
Keep at
lang.
I'm coming.
Through these double doors.
Oh no, critical na si
Here,
Joel,
let me.
pre.
No.
Well, can you walk?
Yes.
Then fucking walk.
Then fucking walk! Mag-walk ka na!
Come on. There's the exit.
Ayun na yun.
Just a little bit more. Come on. Hey. Joel?
Behind you.
Oh no.
What?
Ellie!
Oh no. Oh,
Get the fuck back!
Watch out! Hey!
oh,
Oh shit. Oh shit.
You little shit!
oh no! Oh my god ka, Ellie.
Joel. Here. Stand up. Put your arm around me. All right. Let's go.
Go.
I swear to God, I get you out of this. You're so singing for me.
You're so singing for me. Oh my god. Onti na lang.
I'll
Onti na
get the
lang.
door.
Take your time.
Come on.
Pre, yung paningin ni Joel, itim-itim na.
Fuck.
Oy, ninanakaw yung kabayo, pre. Ayun.
Come on.
Just get the horse.
All right. Can you get on?
Oh my god. Paano yun? Ang sakit nun. Ano yun? What? Paano i-heal yun?
I think we're safe. Joel?
Ala ka!
Joel? Shit. Joel, here.
Namumutla na si Joel, pre!
Get up, get up, get up.
Nauubusan siya ng dugo.
Tell me